I'm with Subroto Som, Head of Retail Banking for Mashreq Bank, which recently launched a new digital-only service, Mashreq Neo. Mashreq Bank is celebrating its 50th anniversary this year. Talk me through some of the key achievements in that history.
In 1978, we were the first and the only bank to have established a presence across all the 7 emirates of UAE. Then in 1981, we were the first bank to introduce debit card and credit cards in UAE, followed immediately by introducing ATMs in 1983. Then in more recent times, we were the first banks to introduce online banking, followed that up soon thereafter to introduce mobile banking in 2008. UAE is introducing digital and mobile wallets. We were the first bank to bring the Samsung wallet into UAE. We were in the first batch of banks to launch Apple Pay in UAE. And we have already launched a Mashreq's own proprietary Mashreq Pay wallet also to help our consumers in UAE. Mashreq has always been a bank that has been innovative. It's in our DNA. And it's a bank that's ready for the future. In fact, in many ways, it is a bank that's shaping the future.
So does the new digital-only Mashreq Neo point to challenges in the physical retail space?
The bank has actually increased the number of branches even in the last 12 months. We've actually increased by 12 new branches. But I think what happens in a branch has changed significantly. To give you an example, when you go to a branch and you want to update your personal information, you typically will be asked to fill up a form, sign. A branch will verify your details, will send it to the back office, the changes will be made, and the process could take anywhere from 6 hours to a couple of days. It's a very manual process filled with a lot of paper. The same thing could be done in mobile banking or in online banking by the consumer by just inputting it. So we thought about just changing the branch process, that when a customer came to do a similar activity, we could get him to input the details directly onto the system and get it done instantaneously. We have been investing in what we call converting the bank digitally inside for quite some time. And that uses the whole process re-engineering, big data analytics, AI and robotics. So that journey has been on for quite some time. So today's branch is a lot more digital. It has a lot more machines. It has a lot more things that consumers can use directly, and you're not dependent to talk to an individual. But at the same time, there are consumers who are very comfortable talking to an individual, talking to a branch employee, and you cannot ignore them.
What challenges are you experiencing in the retail banking space in the UAE?
As you know, UAE is a very competitive market. For the market of its size, we have over 30 retail banks. So I think the first challenge will be consolidation, and I think some consolidation are happening. The second is, as I mentioned, the credit bureau has come into place for the last couple of years, and that has shown that there are segments and pockets of the economy where there is high leverage, and deleverage is happening. That has its own stresses and challenges. Most banks are moving towards digital, and hence the interplay of digital process and banks' legacy system is a challenge in itself. And last but not the least, we should not underestimate the balance between ease of a transaction and the security and safety of the consumer and the bank. And there's a constant battle to balance the two. So we have always been innovating. We spend huge amounts of dollars and dirhams in staying ahead on technology, on finding the right solution and new products. We'll continue to do so. Our key interest is in bringing the best-in-breed products to the consumer and looking after consumers' convenience and safety. We will continue to invest in that. And it's a journey. It's a journey with the consumer. Many of the things that are happening are new. It's a path that we are confident of, and we have been at this journey for quite some time.
Subroto Som, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching. If you started here, click through to watch the first half of this interview with Subroto Som, where he dives deep into the banking experience that Mashreq Neo offers for digital natives. And please subscribe for more video insights from worldfinance.com.